Look at that. Meanwhile, it looks so lovely outside. The sun is out. It looks mild. People got their coats open. No scarves, no hats.
And a big difference compared to this morning. Almost looked like a horror movie. Almost a mist with that layer of fog coming in, but much nicer right now. Still a bit hazy. Temperatures climbing into the upper 40s, the 50s, even the 60s. It is 51 degrees in Central Park, and we also have mostly clear skies for now, but clouds continue to increase. I mentioned it's hazy, and air quality that's now in the moderate zone. The current AQI 76, and that's because we have some wildfire smoke pushing in. There are some major fires burning across the southern tier of the country, southwest flow, that's pushing in some of this smoke, so we'll continue to have to see this haze around throughout this afternoon and this evening. That slowly pushes out of here, clearing as this cold front swings in. That front also bringing us a pretty decent amount of rainfall. Current numbers, the 40s, 50s, and the 60s, all thanks to a warm front. Just south of this front, it's 65 in Wrightstown, 60 in Belmar, up to 47 in White Plains, Sussex, 59 for you, and 62 in Liberty. South winds getting stronger near the coast, ranging from 10 all the way up to 15 miles per hour. The winds really get stronger tomorrow as this cold front approaches. Even tomorrow morning, we could have gusts approaching 30 miles per hour, but wind gusts get up to 40 to 45 Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday evening. That could lead some isolated damage across the tri-state. Still mainly clear for now after a foggy start, but there's this area of clouds that's already getting closer to Ocean and Monmouth County, pushing in from the southwest, and that's ahead of this larger batch of rainfall now making its way across Pennsylvania. That rain will get closer and closer. We have a warm front and an area low pressure and a trailing cold front. This is all moving our direction. That warm front hits us first, and that's why we will have showers late today throughout the overnight hours. Timing it out over the next hour or so, still dry, but after around 4 to 6 p.m., an isolated shower is possible. This evening, steadier rain forms, and just get ready for periods of rain starting tomorrow morning, and that will stick around through Wednesday afternoon. There could be some dry moments in between, but just get ready for a soggy day. Wednesday evening, this front finally swings through, and that will fire up a round of heavier rainfall. We're talking about downpours, gusty downpours, even a few rumbles of thunder. But after the 11 p.m. newscast on Wednesday, we should be done with the bulk of this moisture clearing out, giving way to a drier Thursday. Rainfall could be heavy for some, and rainfall totals could range between a half an inch all the way up to an inch, but some isolated areas could see heavier amounts. Once we're done with this cold front, high pressure that drags in some slightly cooler air, and that will drop us back down closer to average Thursday and Friday with high temperatures in the 40s this weekend. We get back into the 50s, but an area low pressure will bring us additional showers. Today, 58 degrees, increasing clouds, a late shower, but most of the rain falls this evening, 49 degrees. Tomorrow, a soggy day, periods of rain, 61, turning windy, and late Wednesday night, we have an AccuWeather alert for gusty storms. 41 on Thursday, by Friday, 47, and this weekend, around 54 to 57 degrees.
All right.
Take it. Thank you.
We'll take it. Thank you, Brittney. Well, coming up on Eyewitness News at noon, a photographer in Australia claims that he was attacked by Taylor Swift's dad. We're going to tell you what we know about the alleged incident.
Plus, why this unique copy of a Harry Potter book just sold for over $18,000 at auction.